Email marketing has become essential for a lot of businesses, and if it's not something you've thought about before, it might be time to look into an email marketing provider. So in this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best email marketing services that are available out on the market today. And we're going to kick this off, and the first one I want to talk about is Mailchimp. With Mailchimp, you can have up to 500 contacts in your list and send up to 1,000 emails monthly on the free plan alone. In our experience, that's just enough for new businesses, enabling you to get started with email marketing without spending a single penny. Also, if you use WordPress, integrating Mailchimp with WordPress is extremely simple. That makes setting up stylish opt-in forms on your website even more accessible. Now, as I mentioned before, there is the free plan available, and premium plans start at only $13 per month. Now, if you want to get started with Mailchimp yourself or any of the other software I'm going to talk about today, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links for all of these awesome email marketing services. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. So let's move on, and the second one I want to talk about is Hubspot. Hubspot is a comprehensive inbound marketing platform offering various tools to help businesses attract, engage, and delight their customers. Now, HubSpot's email marketing service is just one of its many features, but it is a powerful one that can help you create and execute effective email campaigns. If you're a business that needs a comprehensive inbound marketing platform that includes email marketing, this could be the exact piece of software you're looking for. There is a free plan available, and paid CRM plans start at only $50 per month. The third one on our list is MailerLite. MailerLite is one of the best available free email marketing platforms that you can get. As a great up-and-coming service, many people have switched to it and been delighted by its features and free offerings. Beyond that, MailerLite offers all the features you'd expect from an industry-leading email marketing service. Its free plan supports up to 1,000 contacts and lets you send 12,000 emails monthly. If you are looking for a free service, this could be an excellent one for you to check out, and premium pricing starts at just $10 per month. Number 4 on our list is Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a very well-known platform, and that's for good reason. It shines by making email marketing easy for busy business owners and their staff. It's not the most advanced platform on the list, but it has all the necessary features you need, plus some other nice-to-haves. Using Constant Contact, you can send abandoned cart emails, collect online donations, and ask for event RSVPs. Also included with it is a platform for posting organic posts to Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, and more. Plans for Constant Contact start at just $12 per month. And number 5 on our list is ConvertKit. If you're a content creator, ConvertKit is probably the best email marketing provider out there for you. Aside from having the basics like custom landing pages and sign-up forms, ConvertKit also offers tools for managing content experiences. For instance, you can create landing pages that sell digital products and sign up users for your email list. Not many providers have shoppable landing pages built into their service, and if they do, they're usually not the best. There is a free option available for you to try out, and paid versions start at just $29 per month. Now, every service I talked about on this list is fantastic in their own right, but my favorite pick had to go to Mailchimp. Mailchimp offers so many amazing features built in, such as access to multiple marketing channels, available templates for you to create campaigns faster, automated customer journeys and triggered email sequences, and native integration with so many platforms such as Divi Forms. Also, since Mailchimp is one of the biggest names in email marketing, you'll know that other tools will support it and that you shouldn't have any problems. Now again, if you want to check out Mailchimp or any of the other ones I talked about today, go down into the video description below. There you're going to find links available for every single service so you can try them for yourself. If you do decide to make a purchase using these links, we may receive a commission, which does help support our team and all of our ad-free videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. Before you go though, make sure you check out some of our other great videos. I just recently did one on some of the best SEO tools available, and we'll see you in the next video.